Hi, I'm Kim, the Digital Resources Programmer here at the Central Arkansas Library System. Test time is coming soon, and you might find it a little intimidating trying to figure out how to prepare for an upcoming exam. If that's you, the library has just the resource you need. Head to the Research Tools section of CALS.org and click on LearningExpress. Register to make your own account, and you can get started using this handy database. LearningExpress Overview. LearningExpress offers a wealth of resources for a variety of needs, ranging from K-12 academic support to college and career preparation. With testing season just around the corner, let's focus on resources specifically for test preparation, particularly for college-bound students. Getting started with college prep. When you click on the Preparation for College section, you'll find a wide array of resources to help you succeed in the college admissions process. Among these resources are guides specifically designed for standardized tests, like the ACT and SAT. Let's dive into the ACT Prep resource. ACT Prep Resources. When you click the ACT Prep option, you encounter 5 main sections to guide you through the preparation process. 1. Guided ACT Prep Program. This section offers a step-by-step approach, breaking down the ACT itself and focusing on key areas such as English, reading, and math. The program walks you through 10 essential steps to prepare effectively. Preparation tutorials. Here you'll find in-depth tutorials for each subject tested on the ACT, whether you're tackling English, math, reading, or science. These tutorials will help you build the skills you need to succeed. Practice tests. This section provides practices for each subject, including math, English, reading, science, and writing. You can also take complete simulated practice tests to replicate the real testing experience. These tests are designed to be as much like the real thing as possible, so they're a great way to get used to the test-taking experience. Flashcards. Use these flashcards to reinforce your knowledge in the 4 ACT subject areas: math, reading, English, and science. Flashcards are a great way to quickly review and retain important concepts. eBooks. In this section, you'll find 3 helpful eBooks that provide additional support. Flash Review focuses on skill-building exercises to sharpen your knowledge. Power Practice contains 4 full-length ACT practice tests to help you familiarize yourself with the test format. Word Games is a fun way to improve your vocabulary through engaging word challenges. By using these resources, you'll be well equipped to tackle the ACT and achieve your best possible score. If you have any questions about using LearningExpress, you can email us at elibrary@cals.org or call 501-918-3000. Good luck on your test prep, though with LearningExpress on your side, you might not need it.